Introducing Revive, the ultimate polymer floor dressing that transforms your floors with its acrylic-based liquid solution. Designed to enhance the beauty of your flooring, Revive delivers a high-gloss finish that is both durable and visually striking. With Revive, your floors will shine brighter than ever. This innovative product is infused with pigments that amplify the color and overall appearance of your floors, making them an attractive focal point in any room. But Revive is more than just a pretty face. It creates a protective layer on your floors, shielding them from the damaging effects of scratches, scuffs, and daily wear and tear. This ensures that your flooring not only looks good but also stands the test of time. Maintenance becomes a breeze with Revive. Its smooth, sealed surface makes cleaning effortless, allowing you to spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your beautifully finished floors. Safety is paramount, and Revive takes this seriously. Formulated to be slip-resistant, this polymer dressing helps prevent slips and falls, making it an ideal choice for homes and commercial spaces alike. Durability is a key feature of Revive. Once applied, it offers a long-lasting finish that reduces the need for frequent reapplications, which can save you both time and money in the long run. Application is straightforward. Simply apply Revive undiluted using a sponge mop or applicator after thoroughly stripping old layers of polish from your floors. Ensure you apply a minimum of 3 coats for optimal penetration into the flooring. High traffic areas may require additional coats to achieve the desired level of protection and shine. Revive adapts to your needs, ensuring your floors remain stunning even in the busiest of spaces. For optimal results, avoid washing your floors with ammoniated products, high pH cleaners, or bleach-based solutions. Protect your investment by caring for your floors the right way with Revive. Unlock the true potential of your flooring with Revive and enjoy the perfect blend of beauty, protection, and ease of maintenance. Transform your space today with this revolutionary polymer floor dressing. Revive is suitable for vinyl, thermoplastic, rubber, and sealed floors. Whether you're looking to refresh your home or enhance a business space, Revive delivers outstanding results every time. Join countless satisfied customers who have revitalized their floors with Revive. Experience the difference that a professional-grade polymer floor dressing can make in your living or working environment. It's time to give your floors the care they deserve. Choose Revive for a glossy, protective finish that promises to last. Say goodbye to dull, worn surfaces and hello to vibrant, stunning floors. Ready to elevate your flooring? Take the first step towards a brilliant shine and enhanced durability with Revive, the leading choice for floor maintenance and restoration.